Want to turn more visitors into customers? It's all about tracking every step of your funnel using analytics to make smarter decisions. Here's how you can do it with GoHighLevel. Analytics give you a complete picture of your funnel's performance. See where your leads are coming from, which steps they engage with most, and where they drop off. These insights can make all the difference between a funnel that converts and one that doesn't. GoHighLevel's analytics dashboard is your command center. Track metrics like page views, conversion rates, and average time spent on each step. This data helps you spot the high-performing areas and identify where improvements are needed. Got a drop-off point in your funnel? Use the data to fine-tune your landing pages, adjust your messaging, or refine your call to actions. Test small changes and measure the results to see what boosts your conversions the most. Ready to supercharge your funnel? Start tracking every step with GoHighLevel's powerful analytics and transform your data into actionable results. Subscribe to our channel for more ways to optimize your marketing and drive success. And that's it. So if you're ready to optimize your funnel and transform your data into real results, dive into GoHighLevel's powerful analytics today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on maximizing your marketing success. Thanks for watching.